In this video, I'm going to show you how to take pictures or record videos on Samsung phone with volume button. So if you press the volume up button, instead of using the volume up button for volume control, your Samsung phone will use it to take pictures or record videos. So if at the end of this video, you're able to use the Samsung phone volume button to record videos or take pictures on your device, please don't forget to like and subscribe. So the first thing you want to do is go to your Samsung phone settings. On the settings page, just scroll down and click on apps. Once you selected apps, scroll down and click on the camera application under apps. Now click on camera settings. You need to scroll down until you get to shooting method and click on that. So once you selected shooting method, tap press volume button to here, take picture or record videos, zoom out or zoom in, control volume, sound. So when you are on the camera mode, just shows take pictures or record. There you go. Then go back and then open the camera application like this. So if you press the volume up just like this, or the volume button, then you should see the camera application recording. And if you want to take picture like this, let's say in the picture mode, and you want to take picture of yourself or using selfie or rear camera, just press the side button. That is the volume up or volume down. You see that? Just press it again. So with the volume up, volume down, you can record videos or take pictures on your Samsung Galaxy device. So if this is helpful and educative, please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quality videos just like this.